going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This week I am finally going to get the front axle in the first gen 4Runner rebuilt. I spent last night and a little bit just now after work getting one side of the axle torn down. I would say at the moment I'm about a quarter of the way done. I have the passenger side stripped down on the donor axle, passenger side stripped down on the truck, so I still need to do driver side on both axles and then get everything cleaned and get everything thrown back together. I did go ahead and get a knuckle sandwich, basically a knuckle rebuild kit from Trail Gear Off-Road. Got everything that you could possibly need. Grease wiper seals, new gaskets, new bearings, new axle seals. So this is a great kit to bring your axle back to life. This was about $200. Definitely worth it. The idea is I'm going to be swapping all of these parts over to this axle. Everything that was on this axle when I took it off is all stock. Knuckle, solid axle hub, Burfield axles. I know it seems a little crazy that I'm tearing down both axles at the same time to use donor parts when they're almost the same axle, but my main benefit of tearing down this donor axle is this axle has RCVs in it. The truck came with Burfields. Those are definitely prone to break, as well as it has ARP studs and the IFS wheel bearing hub. Quite a bit of work that I do not need to go tracking down any of that stuff or buying any of it for the truck. The RCVs alone is a huge come up. Definitely worth the work. I bought this axle along with a rear axle for $1,000 maybe 8 months ago, and it's just been sitting here waiting to get torn down because I knew it had some goodies in there. I am going to do my best to get all this stuff knocked out here in the next day or two, and hopefully by the end of this video we will have tires back on this truck. All right, we're making some progress. I got the knuckles back onto the axle. From here, I'm gonna go ahead and throw the axle shafts back in, start reassembling the hubs and getting everything else thrown back together. My garage is an absolute mess at the moment. This is an extremely messy job. I've already gone through 2 rolls of paper towels, so we'll see how many more we can go through. All right, I think you guys are gonna wanna see this. I spent many hours yesterday finishing up this axle, getting everything thrown back together, popping in and out of YouTube videos and making sure I was doing everything right, getting everything torqued to spec. And then last night, right before bed, I ran out here and put the steering linkage in just so I could see what it looked like kind of done. And here we are. We got all the knuckles rebuilt, new bearings, new races, new gaskets, and everything. The ball joints are definitely not great and they're not actually tight. They're just sitting in there. So I still need to do a little bit of work to the steering. I need to cut this little bracket off. That was for hydro assist on the previous setup, but I don't have hydro assist. So that is one more thing that I need to take care of, is getting this little bracket chopped off. I'm gonna do the steering dampener. I'm not gonna go hydro assist just yet. It's really expensive and I don't have a ton of money. I have a handful of other things that money could go towards, like a locker. So not gonna get into that stuff just yet. I'm gonna go ahead and plumb the brake lines into the calipers, and then I need to hook up power steering lines back into the IFS box, and then from there I'll be able to bleed everything. Don't know if I'll be driving it today, but I will at the very least go ahead and throw some wheels and tires back on it and get this thing off of jack stands. All right, hold. All right, last one.
See, I was in there.
I couldn't see anything the whole time. I don't even know if I welded. I did. What? Best flux cord welder you've ever seen. You ain't welding better than me. Look at this. With the flux, brother? What? That's pretty good.
Are you stacking dimes?
I'm stacking really little dimes. Boom! Did that. Now we got a steering dampener. Hopefully I fucking welded it in the right place.
I'm just thinking of you driving this thing and the tire just going outward.
Like this?
Just like...
Oh. Testing this.
Is it hot?
All right, it's a new day. We went and drove the truck around a little bit yesterday. Really didn't go that far, maybe around the block once or twice. Brakes feel good, power steering feels fine. Definitely still need quite a bit of tweaks to the steering before everything's said and done. Now that the front end's all thrown back together, I can move on to some new stuff. When we started this project, it was all stock under here. So now we got high steer, rebuilt knuckles, ARP studs, U-bolt flip kit, axle truss, IFS hubs, RCV axle shafts, new shocks, new shock hoops, IFS box. Tons of upgrades have been getting thrown at this truck the last couple weeks. Pretty excited about it. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this one up, and I'm going to start shifting over to getting the third gen loaded up because we're going camping and we're going wheeling this weekend. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you next week.